Even facing a challenge for Grayson for the Pacers, Nuggs, and Wizards in NT Case 2. Challenge 5. List has Grayson 2, Lane. That's Grayson Brown to Lane. When they listen to the randomizer at 8:46 PM local time, we've got Grayson on top and Lane at the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's an 8, and I believe it's the best man wins. Good luck, everyone. One. Let's see one of those nights, is it? Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7 times Chris on top one more time at 8:46. Congrats. 2. Spot 8. It's Steve. Pick it up. Had to go 8 times. Did go 8 times. And spot 8 picked it up. That's the verification code. But there's spot 8. Steve. Congrats. Challenge complete.